Now we're going to add a little bit more extra to our atmosphere and actually put it on its own layer. So if we look up here, what we got here is I've got the two layers. I've actually added a new layer on top of my Rock Planet copy here. And it says layer 2, and I've linked these two layers together just by right-clicking and saying, well, we can unlink them again and just right-click on it and say link layers right there. Now they're linked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just right-click here, and we'll just hit merge layers. Now as you can see, it gets rid of the upper layer, or it actually gets rid of the planet itself and just leaves the atmosphere that we've created. So you know what, let's take the opacity on this down just a wee bit. It's a bit too much for us. There we go, just a little bit like so. I'm going to hit enter, get out of this. Now what we've got is, we've still got a little bit too much going on here, so let's get rid of some of this atmosphere. What we're going to do is we're probably going to take this erase brush here, and we're just going to get rid of some of it, some of this around here on the back, because the sun isn't really shining all the way over here. So we have our opacity set at 15%. Let's set it at 50. And we can come through here, just erase it. Actually, let's just go ahead and deselect this so we can see what we're doing here. There we go. Now as we erase it down, you can see that it's, going out of view here. Let's actually increase our brush size just a bit, and we'll knock it down to 25% so we can get a nice overglow like so, just so we can fade this without fading too much of it. There we go. Just fade it just a little bit there. Now it's just got just a barely little blue tint, showing it has just a little bit of atmosphere. Maybe this planet had a little bit of water on it at some point. So either way. So now let's do a little bit more here. Actually, let's stop and save our file here. And actually, you know what? We'll move on to that part in this next part. So hang tight, and we'll come right back to this.